Hello and welcome back to Sotonlock. I received a package this week and I'm very excited to capture the opening on cam. Before I do so, please help my small channel get recognised by liking, subscribing and hitting that notification bell. So let's see what we've got in here. See if I can do this without cutting my fingers off. So, first of all, we have a letter in here. Let me just read this off camera to make sure there's no addresses or anything. So it says, Dear Sotonlock, please find enclosed your new Packlock 200A channel stickers and business card forwarded from Albert Lebel in appreciation of your support for his channel as well as the wider Locksport community through your channel too. I hope this finds you well at this time. With regards and best wishes on behalf of Albert Lebel, aka Big L. Well, thank you, Big L. I'm stunned, to be honest with you. Thank you very much for that. If you've not seen Albert's channel, then do check it out. As he says, I do subscribe and I watch it avidly every time he posts. So let's see what else we've got in here. My word, the tape on this. It's going to take me ages to get this open. Where do you begin? This box as well, lovely. I'm not sure if I've ever picked one of these before. Oh, look at that. Wow, it's engraved with his moniker as well. Oh, replaceable core by the looks of it. Let's just stick that there. Let's have a look at the bitting on the key. There you go. A few peaks and troughs there. That's going to keep me busy for a while. So I would try and pick it on camera straight from the box, but unfortunately I'm not that good. Nice smooth action. Oh yeah, it feels lovely. Key retaining. Is it key retaining? Yep, key retaining by the looks of it. Look at that, that's lovely. Let's put that there. Clear some of this junk out of the way. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There should be some channel stickers in here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Hidden away in the box. So eager to get the padlock out. So, a business card from Albert and some stickers. I will stick the link to his YouTube channel in the descriptions. So Albert, thank you very much for that. I shall have a go at picking that. As I say, I'm not good enough yet to pick it straight from the box, but I will certainly give it a go. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe, take care, and make someone happy. Thank you.